Dawn smoke drifts over the Red Sea. 12,000 years ago, a small band presses forward. Salt crusts their lips. Ash stirs from a dying fire. Step by step, humanity leaves its first home, driven to populate the earth. They will stop only where the soil is fertile, where seeds can meet sun and water. In a muddy field, hands press grain into dark, rich silt. In a sun and in desert oases, ledgers and holy books travel side by side. A new faith, Islam, spreads with the trade winds, reshaping maps, laws, and the very idea of the known world. Far to the east, the dynasties of Tang and Song China refine the tools of governance, paper, printing, and bureaucracy. Then, from the steppes, a new power rises. The Mongol Empire forges the largest land empire in history, uniting the trade routes into a single sprawling network. Hooves thunder, messages fly, distance shrinks. But a far darker rider follows in their wake. A lone cart creaks past shuttered doors. The Black Death scours the land, shattering the old world. But from the ashes of plague, a new age is born. A painter and a scientist lean over a sketch, a page, a new idea. Patronage fuels a renaissance of art and inquiry, while cautious ships push beyond the edge of the known map. The seas are about to connect worlds that never knew the other existed. In a riverside coffeehouse, smoke curls around hushed conversations. Forbidden ideas pass from person to person. The scientific revolution reveals a universe governed by laws, not whims. The Enlightenment demands that human power answer to reason, and reason demands a reckoning. Revolution erupts from the halls of government to the slave fields of Haiti. A new engine rises, one that burns buried sunlight. Steam and steel remake the globe. Factories draw millions into sprawling cities, while railways bind empires. But this new power asks a terrible question. What do we owe one another when machines outpace our morals? The Industrial Age feeds two world wars. Trenches scar the earth, cities burn, and the Holocaust reveals a darkness at the heart of progress. From the wreckage, new nations rise, and a long march for human dignity begins. Today, our lives are woven together by invisible supply chains and glowing screens. Yet ancient forces, microbes and storms, still ignore our borders. We edit the code of life itself and ask machines to answer our deepest questions. And somewhere, that child who once walked from the shore of the Red Sea now studies by the light of a phone, deciding what their story will be. The next chapter of our history is waiting to be written.